The Booking Factory is an all-in-one system for managing your hotel's bookings and websites. Key features include the ability to see bookings live, along with cancellations and amendments. Our powerful booking screen allows you to jump into any booking and quickly see how much money is owed, along with a wealth of other customer information. Bookings can be created on the fly quickly and easily, and the system will create invoices for you based on customer details. You can also easily create great-looking hotel websites within the software. We give free setup, free website, free SSL and HTTPS certificates, free advice, and lots of other great stuff for our great customers. Our pricing structure charges only 1% of online bookings, while most of our competitors charge for amount of rooms. The Booking Factory. Attract more guests with no effort.